Today, we're staying at the Hyatt Regency Miami here in Miami, Florida, right on the river, right next to Brickell. Everything is walkable around here. And today, we just want to show you what it's like to stay in this hotel. We want to show you all the public spaces. We want to show you the room, and we'll tell you a little bit about what our experience was like staying here if you're trying to decide if you want to stay here. So let's head inside and check out the Hyatt Regency Miami. Upon arrival, you're greeted with some pretty Miami views with the palm trees, the tall buildings. I will say that like in a lot of the ads, this building is really seen. It's like real colorful at night. That is not the Hyatt Regency Miami. The Hyatt Regency Miami just sits right next to it. This is an older hotel, but old's not always bad if old was built with really high end quality, and that's what I feel like this is. So let's head inside and start checking it out. All right, let's go ahead and walk in. You're gonna notice upon walking in that the lobby is pretty large overall. As you can see, it's open, it's expansive. It actually has lots of seating over here that really opens up areas like if you need to just relax in the lobby or if you've got time to kill. Over here to the right when you get here, you do have the check-in desk, which is awesome. Just to the right of the check-in desk, I did love this. They have staplers and pens. Like if you're going on a cruise and need to staple your luggage tags, they make that super available. That is really cool and just really thoughtful in general. And then they have the history of the hotel right there behind that, which I read last night, and it has an interesting history here on this plot of land. Let's keep headed this way. One thing I've loved about this hotel is just the natural light that is in here. This is like glass ceilings right here. And so whenever you walk in, it just feels really open air, and just natural light feels really spacious. And as you can see out behind here, there are windows. We'll take you down there in just a second because that is a really awesome area as well. And to me, one of the highlights of staying at this hotel. But let's swing over to the left for just a second. Check this out. Hyatt Regency Miami has this market right here, which is gonna have a lot of your kind of casual grab and go things. But they're also going to have different coffees and things like that you can order. In general, look at this. They even have like specialized merch. If you're a big fan of Hyatt Regency Miami, you can get you a tumbler. This is Hyatt Regency Miami on it. I wonder how those sell. That's pretty cool. In general, you can get your sunscreen, all that type of stuff. So this is a good place where you can come buy things here, grab and go sandwiches. It's always nice to be able to have this as an option if you just need something. And then they of course have like pastries and things like that in here, and then different types of things you can get as well. So I do like this piece of art, like stuff like that just brings a hotel to life that not every hotel has, and so I do appreciate that. And then right here you have the Riverview Bar and Grill. If you need a restaurant, here they've got the Riverview Bar and Grill, and it does have the windows out behind it that look at the river, which is really great. Let's go ahead and walk downstairs. I want to show you one of my highlights of the hotel. I think that this is a real perk of staying here, and it looks like we have something huge coming by right now, which is great. So just down these escalators off the lobby, you're going to have kind of a downstairs area that is the access to a lot of the Regency conference centers, but it also is going to be doors just right out the back that lead to the river walk here at the hotel. As you can see, there's a lot of space down here. This is so like if you're here for business, things can set up. But out the back here, you do have the river, and the river is awesome. And it's amazing the boat traffic that is just constantly along here. Just in general, the Riverwalk is an awesome spot just to come out, hang out, and it's really cool because you can access all down that way and all down that way, and you can get to like Bayfront Park that way just with an easy walk. Really great setup. Love the fact that the Hyatt Regency has such easy access to the Riverwalk right out the back door. Let's head back inside and head upstairs towards the pool. Okay, so we came back up the escalators. Here's the check-in desk, just for reference. Now we're gonna swing over here towards the elevators, and the elevators are going to be how you get to the pool area. It's on the second level, so let's go check that out. Earlier I said that the pool was up a floor. It's actually down a floor, but we're here, so I'm going to show you this. First off, there's the fitness center right here. It's right here. It doesn't look huge for the size of the hotel this is, but it's there. It's got mirrors. They've got the towels that are cooled. You've got water right here if you'd like that. You have a vending machine down here. And if we go out this way, we do get to the pool. And it does look like there are restrooms right outside here as well. So that is really nice. But when you look out here, you do have the pool out here. Now it is a smaller pool area. This is a little bit of an older hotel, so it doesn't have like one of the massive pool decks, but I like that it's elevated. It's not on the main level. It is surrounded by tree cover. It has a lot of shade normally. Right now is like one of the few times where I've seen it in the sun. And if you want to sit here and enjoy a breeze off the river while also enjoying the pool here, you can definitely do that there. Let's go ahead and head up to the room and check out what that's like. We are on the 20th level, room 2018. So we're up there and we have a pretty good view. All right, so here is the room. When you walk in, immediately you're gonna notice something weird. There's this weird gap right here. This is like where your sink and like bathroom is, I guess. You do have a separate door here for your commode and shower. And you have like a little area right here. I've never seen anything like that in a room before. Then you have just your lamp, a mirror here, a TV. We have a king room, and so we do have our king bed here. You have a desk. This is very Hyatt Regency-esque. And then you swing over here, and for us, we have this little area. We can't go out here, but you do have a view in this room of the river, which is super cool. Got to love that. So overall, pretty standard hotel room. A lot to like about it. You do have a mini fridge and a dresser as well. So good place to crash for a couple nights. So there's kind of a general overview of the Hyatt Regency Miami. Honestly, we have really liked staying here. We have really loved how this is in the middle of everything in Miami. We have been able to walk all over the place for food. We don't even have to think about getting an Uber. It just feels like it's in a really good area with beautiful stuff all around. We have absolutely loved the location. We've loved the fact it's on the river, and the hotel does a great job. It's clean, it feels pleasant, the staff has been really friendly, and so it's just been a really nice place to stay. And so if you're planning on staying here, don't hesitate to book this hotel. If you want something super new and modern and crazy, maybe this isn't the hotel for you, but for me, I like quality, clean, and good location, and that is what the Hyatt Regency Miami is. And so maybe this is the hotel for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't mind hitting like and subscribe, that would mean so much, and we'll see you next video.